Today, we are going to delve into the exciting world of problem structuring methods. This lecture aims to equip you with the necessary tools and techniques to structure complex problems in a way that makes them easier to solve. Firstly, let's define what we mean by problem structuring. Problem structuring is the process of breaking down complex and ill-defined problems into smaller, more manageable parts, making them easier to analyze and solve. To do this, we need to start by defining the problem clearly and understanding its impact. This will help us frame the problem by creating a framework that includes the problem scope, objectives, and stakeholders. Once we have a clear understanding of the problem, we can start breaking it down into smaller parts through problem decomposition. This will make it easier for us to identify the key issues and their interrelationships. To help organize our ideas, we can use mind mapping, a visual tool for exploring the relationships between different problem elements. Another technique is concept mapping, which organizes information and ideas into a network of concepts and relationships. Causal loop diagrams are also useful tools for visualizing the relationships between different causes and effects in a system. This approach is related to systems thinking, which considers the interrelationships and interdependencies between different parts of a system. In conclusion, by using problem structuring methods, we can break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts, making them easier to analyze and solve.